The government has hired us to find the location for a secret base that they are making, and we took a picture of the United States, and I already put it into GeoGebra. So now we still need to plot one point, because there's a point in Texas, a point in Maine, and now we need the point in Washington. So we'll come over here to the point tool and come down to point, and we'll click right here on the edge of Washington, and then we're going to take the segment tool and drag it from Washington to Texas, and then from Texas up to Maine, and from Maine back over to Washington, and there's our triangle. And they want to find a place that is equidistant from all of the points of the United States. So we're going to find the perpendicular bisector, and you go from Washington to Texas, and then from Texas to Maine, and from Maine back over to Washington. And we're going to draw a point right where all three of these meet. And then we're going to draw a segment from Washington to the point, then from the point down here to Texas, and then from Maine to the point. So now we have all of these measurements. So we're going to find the distance of the line from Washington to Minnesota, and from Maine to Minnesota, and from Texas to Minnesota, and they're all 7.7, which means that they're all the same length. So the point would be in Minnesota where they would make the base. And if you wanted to zoom into the point, all you'd have to do is come over to this last pull down menu and come into zoom in, and then click where you want to zoom into, and we'll find that it is in Minnesota and not in South Dakota, which could have been mistaken if you were looking at it zoomed out. And